Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be taking a look at the Barbie dream closet. And here is the box, pretty typical for Barbie packaging. And on the box it does say that it has about 500 possible looks with 36 pieces along with 2 different levels. So here we have the very first level, and then here is the second level. All right, so here is the wire rack feature, and then there's a lot of storage. It's pretty cute. And then of course here, Barbie printed stickers, which is pretty typical of Barbie products. We have a little workstation or a vanity with a mirror, and then the chair, and then we also have a stand along with a laundry basket. Over here, I'm going to open up the accessories. So we have the nurse's uniform, the computer, a red visor, medical chart, yellow tennis shoes, glitter dress, red shorts, pink Crocs, pretty cute. Here we have a medical device, silver flats, faux denim skirt, flower printed dress, blue flower tank top, blue purse, black heels, coral inspired Valentino flats, a silver whistle, yellow beads, sunglasses, a white and red little tee, hangers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 hangers. Silver necklace, finally a silver bracelet. Overall, I really do like the convenience of this. It closes up to save space, it's portable, and I love the color pink. Very nice. Here is the nurse's costume, or outfit I should say. We have a lifeguard uniform, very cute. Sorry I didn't show the shoes, but here's the back, no closures. The flower dress with the gold sunglasses. Here's the way it looks on the back. It has absolutely no Velcro, it's open in the back, smooth. Here are the coral flats, they're really cute. I'm gonna pair this with my curvy doll. Nice. Hello.
I forgot to show the stethoscope.
Here's the blue flower tank with the faux denim skirt and the blue purse. I also paired it with the flat silver shoes. Cute. And I really like this beaded yellow necklace. Here is the pink glittery one shoulder strap dress with the silver necklace. Black heels. Those are cute. And I really do like this outfit out of everything that was displayed in this closet. It's so cute. And since we have our closet out, let's take a look at an Amazon fashion pack from Ellie Dolls. I like the color palette in here. These have some amazing pieces that I'm gonna just show you. And first off, let's take a look at this beautiful bag on my curvy girl. I love it, so cute. So here is the purple blouse with the white pencil skirt and the purple boots and the purple purse. This is really cute, adorable. I love the little bag and especially the boots. Now take a look at this jacket. It's fully lined, and here it is on the doll looking amazing with the hat. Like, this is a whole outfit. I love this so much. She looks beautiful. It's giving, I'm going to a business meeting. I run my own company. Not sure about these cutouts though. Here is the yellow faux patent leather jacket with the belt and the black bootcut pants and yellow heels. Very nice, standard pretty much heels that you get. I really like this outfit. The tank did not come in this fashion pack. I paired it. And I'm not sure about this belt, so I'm gonna just take it off. Overall, I really like everything that came in this fashion pack. A must try, love it. Here's a coat that I purchased on Esty from Milky Fashion. It's a Burberry-inspired jacket, fully lined, very high quality. It looks so cute on the doll. I love this jacket. The quality is amazing. Here it is in the back. Look at that split. It looks so realistic. I mean, this piece is amazing. Oh my God, I love this. Well, since we have the closet out, let's take a look at Mini Brands Sneakers. Yes, I was looking for these over and over all around this town, and I found them finally in Walmart half off. I had to grab like 5 of them. So let's open one up and see what we get. Alright, so opening it up, here we have the collector's guide with the exclusives along with all the shoes that are available. And let's flip it onto the back where you're going to see bucket hats and baseball caps along with stickers. Here are the sneakers. Now let's open up this next bag to see what we get. It does feel like it's the hat. And opening it up, it is the red baseball cap and it's really cute. And then in the next box, we have some slides here. They're teal and white. On the Ken doll, they're a little big, but they are cute. I like them. And then I tried to put the hat on the Ken doll. He has sculpted hair, so it doesn't work. But on my tall Barbie, really cute.
Hi.
Let's open ball number 2 and see what we get. And we have stickers. Yay! They're cute though. I mean, whatever. All right, let's open up the next bag and we have a black bucket hat and that's really cute. Let me try it on my curvy Barbie Looks doll and it's not working. Like, it's not working. Let me try it on my other doll.
Oh my God, this is so neat. Yes.
All right, in the next bag we have shoes. These are the Reebok black and white pumps. They are really cute. The only thing is they're a little hard, so I do not think I'm gonna be able to, my Ken doll is gonna be able to fit these at all. So I'm gonna try them on my Barbie Looks curvy doll. I mean, the quality is good. It's just too hard. They're not flexible. And here they are, and they're big. They don't fall off or anything, and she can stand in them, so that's a look. Wish these shoes had slits in the back. Ball number 3. So let's open it up to see what we get. Here's the stickers, and we have another cap. It looks like Airwalk. And then in the box, there are some really big Airwalk shoes. Okay. Let's try the hat on my doll, and she looks beautiful. It's a real cute look. And then the shoes cannot fit in a Ken, and on my curvy, they're super big, and they do fall off. So let's open up ball number 4. And when I open it up, the stickers fall out and it's a double. Yay, me. Right, final ball. So here are some cute stickers. It's Reebok, along with this cute pink Reebok hat, along with these classic white and gray Reebok sneakers. They are super adorable. All right, so here's an up close and personal look at the hat, and then the whole ensemble on my Barbie Looks doll. And it looks super adorable. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate all your support because it really helps me out. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.